Welcome to my channel, my name is Zero Boy and I'm here today to share with you Adjustment Layer. It's a very cool setting that you can download on the link in the description below, and it's gonna save you a lot of time if you edit on Final Cut Pro. Come with me.
What is an adjustment layer? An adjustment layer is an object on a higher layer which, when its effect is placed onto it, affects all the clips below it.
After you download the file, you're gonna go on Finder and you're gonna look for Motion Templates, press enter, Titles, and you're gonna drop right here on this folder called Titles. After that, you're gonna go to Final Cut Pro, Titles, you're gonna see right here Adjustment Layer. You're just gonna bring it down, you're gonna bring on top of your video, and you're gonna be able to just enjoy the process. This way you don't need to copy and paste and do anything else. It's super handy, super cool. This way save me a lot of time because you can do with all the settings. You can color grade, you can change contrast, white balance, everything. The only thing that you gotta do is pull on top of the videos that you want to do, and all the videos, they're gonna have the same effect they apply on Adjustment Layer. I wish that someone has told me this before, because it saves me a lot of time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to keep learning and improving for 2020, consider subscribing to this channel. I'm here to support you, and if you'd like to support me, leave your like and your comment below. This is gonna help me and support this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday. Hello? Okay, I'm going. Thank you.